to help Burundi to develop. Because even in the Bible, diaspora is the one which is building the country. Was not Jesus a diaspora in Egypt? If you read the Bible, Jesus was in Egypt. And they went back to his country. So, that's what my president asked me. Ambassador, go meet Burundians in that big, developed country. You know, US is the superpower. In all aspects, militarily, financially, technologically. So, since Burundi has diaspora in this big country, for us, it's an asset. For us, it's a big opportunity. When I reached here, they told me America is the country of opportunities. And I found it's true. So, Professor, Burundians, I saw Terence. Is it Terence here? Yes. Professor, come back to your home. We need you so that you can give us what you have learned here. Help your country. That's the reason, that's the raison d'être of me here. I'm here to tell Burundians that Burundi is ready to work with diaspora in all domains. In education, in health, in the critical minerals, in infrastructure, everything. Since what we need is here, even dollars. Which country is printing dollars? It's not America. We need you. And second, I'm happy that you have made friends. I see friends here who are friends of Burundi. Pastor greeted me in Swahili. Pastor, you greeted me in Swahili, shikamo. Shikamo is a word in Swahili which means when you are greeting an elder. Shikamo. That's very profound. And I was touched, very humbled that you know Shikamo. Who taught her that word?
She went to Tanzania.
That's right. Now, you are most welcome to Burundi. Come to Burundi. Yes, since you speak Swahili in Burundi, it will be very easy. Because in Bujumbura they speak Swahili. I can thank everyone, every Burundian here, and those who are not here. Tell them that I was very, very pleased to see Burundians. It was on a short notice, as we discussed, because when we were discussing with Dr. Ken, I was only focusing on coming and speak tomorrow about opportunities of investing in Burundi. But they said, no, please, try to see if you can meet, even if it will be a small group. But I see it's not a small group. You brought me Burundians and you brought me friends. And I invite you, all of you, Pastor, convince all of them and you bring others. Passport, bring them and we stamp and we fly. Third, I would like to thank again Dr. Ken. When he came to my residence in Washington, it was January 31st, he told me, Ambassador, I fell fond of you. So, I will help you. I said, how? I know how I will do. Wait. Only after 2 months, now I'm here. He introduced me to Dr. Kamanzi Olivier, and they organized this wonderful day of tomorrow so that I can come and speak about Burundi. And this forum according to what I read, they have already hosted big people. President Museveni and others, many countries, other ambassadors, and now they are telling me now it's Burundi to come and speak. I can say, when I arrived here, when I was going around talking about Burundi, some were asking me, Burundi, where is Burundi? Where is? But now, I see that Burundi is coming on map. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Dr. Kamanzi, for accepting to host me so that we can talk about investment in Burundi. Because Burundi is still an attacked country, a country which is still virgin. But I can tell those who don't know Burundi that Burundi is a hidden Eden. Because in Burundi, you can find everything. If you take a cup of coffee of Burundi, you will feel the aroma. How this Arabica coffee grown on the high mountains of Burundi is very delicious. You feel the aroma, you feel how it is smooth. Have you tried it when you visit Burundi? Yeah, I know Burundians, some Burundians don't drink coffee. I know, Burundians themselves. I know. Because for them, they don't feel it because of habit. They see it, they don't. Even our Lake Tanganyika, which is producing a lot of fishes, different species of fish. They said it is more than 200 species. They don't feel, but if someone, a foreigner comes and have this, oh. But for us, because we are familiar with everything, it's nothing. But I invite you, Pastor, please prepare, tell me, we go together. And you see that fish. Sangara, Captain, Mukeke, you see? So,
Sangara.
There are a lot of things. If you eat the fruits of Burundi, banana, akamara masenge, man, you see, you know. I'm avocado. Now, I'm trying to bring avocado oil from Burundi. I'm trying to bring some some business people from Burundi, if it goes well. In this, it will be April 29th to April 30th. There will be a meeting of Exim Bank. So, because Burundi now is opening, is ready, on March 10th, we signed with some companies, American companies, to go to work in rare critical minerals, nickel, rare earths, lithium. So, now companies and even some Americans are coming to me and telling me, Ambassador, we saw that in Burundi there are things. That's why I tell you, Burundi is a hidden Eden. It was hidden. Now it is becoming open and shown to the world. So that avocados, they can come here. So that these Kabarama saying mangoes, they can come. That's why tomorrow will be a very wonderful day for me to talk about all these, so that Americans can know and they see what is Burundi and what Burundi has to offer. Burundi has a very big potential in all aspects. You know, the population of Burundi is made up almost 65% is youth. And these days we are living an era of digital. And my son of 15 is more more developed in matter of digital. On my telephone, he can do what me I don't know. So that's why I think our population, which is very young, with these professors who are here, your American friends, you can help us to develop them digitally so that they can be able to advance technologically. That's why I think a forum like this one is very important so that we can tell what we have. Because they told me that normally human capital is key for the development. Because of what we need, we have to have people who are trained, who can use or who can develop all what we have as a potential. So without maybe talking too much, I would like to thank everyone, starting by Dr. Ken, Dr. Kamazi, and Professor Jamil, and this wonderful man I grew. I'm happy really to find such, because you can't know when you go back in your childhood and you try to bring back memories. We were discussing, I see everything, and now to see him here from there, may God bless you once again. Thank you, Jamil. Thank you, everyone. May God bless you.